Hello everyone, Luis here from Missive. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what Missive is and how it can help your business communicate better. Missive can help reduce work time with customer support, sales management, email delegation for executive assistants, and many other use cases. Missive's core features are centered on collaborating around an array of communication channels, such as email, SMS, Twitter DM, etc. In this demo, we will focus on using team inboxes, which is the best way to harness Missive's collaborative power. We'll also demonstrate how Missive can help your organization achieve better teamwork, more accountability, and increased efficiency. So let's suppose you have a company, small or medium, with two distinct departments or teams. Your organizational chart and points of contact look like this. A sales team with a manager and 3 employees, and a customer support team with the same layout. For each team, you have a catch-all email address. You have sales at and support at. Better teamwork. All emails sent to support@company.com will arrive at the customer support team inbox, and all team members will have access to these emails. Now, let's suppose that I received this email and I have already started drafting a response. But I realized there's a file that I don't have in my computer, the proposal PDF, and that's someone else who has it in their computer. So what I would do is @mention the team member that has a file and ask them to attach the PDF to the email before sending it. I would also make it a task so that she doesn't forget. It's important to know that comments and tasks like this one are not visible to anyone outside your organization. Perfect. Now, here we can see that she is actively looking at the conversation. You can see her avatar is lit. Down here, when you see the avatar inside the email, that means she's currently editing or modifying the message. As you can see, this makes collaborating around email a much faster and seamless experience compared to forwarding emails, for example. More accountability. As a manager, I can have a quick overview of who is working on what. For example, if I wanted to see what the sales team is working on, I would click on the team inbox, then assign to others. Then I will be able to see the team's activity. This way I know emails are not being buried, replied to twice, or left unreplied. Increase efficiency. With Missive, you have many ways to supercharge your workflow. Let's explore 3 features. The first one is canned responses. Let's suppose you get this question asked multiple times per day. What is your turnaround time? Instead of having to type in the same answer each and every time, you can simply insert a canned response, giving out precise information every time without the annoyance of repetition. Just like that, in a few seconds, you're ready to send a reply. Oh no, there's a typo. No problem. Click the undo button, fix the typo, and send again. The second feature that greatly improves efficiency is rules. It saves you time on repetitive, predictable tasks. For instance, let's suppose Amy, your accountant, is the one that deals with procurement receipts. Well, instead of having to manually assign conversations to her, you can create an automated rule that triggers whenever incoming emails contain the word receipt. Now, the next time this happens, these emails will be assigned to Amy. Last feature preview, conversation links. You can use conversation URLs to link internally to specific messages. It's a great way to give context or cite information from another conversation to your teammates or yourself. For example, let's say that a coworker of yours is asking about an email you discussed over lunch. In Missive, you can copy a conversations link and paste it in the comment box. Now this teammate will have access to the email in question, but only if it's been shared with her as well. If it's not, you can always @mention them to grant access. So that's it. We hope this intro to Missive will spark your curiosity to find a better way to collaborate with your team.